How to add a table in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in with your Adobe account. Click on All Tools from the top menu. Scroll down and click Edit PDF. Choose Select a file to upload a PDF where you want to add the table. Since Acrobat doesn't have a built-in table feature, we will make one outside of Acrobat first. You can use a tool like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to create your table. Once it's ready, take a screenshot of the table or save it as image like PNG or JPGs. Back in Acrobat, in the PDF tool, click on Add Image. Select the image of your table from your files. Click where you want to place it on your PDF and adjust the size. Resize the table image by dragging the corners to fit properly. Click and drag the image to adjust its position within the PDF. And that's how you can add table in Adobe Acrobat using an image. If this helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.